Welcome to our channel, DeepDive Reviews. Today, we are reviewing Copy.ai, a groundbreaking AI-powered copywriting platform that has transformed how businesses, content creators, and marketers approach content creation. Utilizing advanced natural language processing algorithms and GPT-3 technology, Copy.ai delivers high-quality, relevant content in just seconds. Whether you need engaging blog posts, persuasive ad copy, or compelling social media posts, Copy.ai can do it all, freeing you to focus on other aspects of your business or content strategy. The platform offers a wide array of content templates, from blog post outlines to product descriptions, and even video scripts. These templates guide you through the content creation process, making it easier and more efficient to produce content that resonates with your audience. Additionally, Copy.ai's grammar and style suggestions feature helps identify and suggest corrections for grammatical errors, awkward phrasing, and inconsistent style, ensuring your content is not only engaging but also polished and professional. For those focused on SEO, Copy.ai's keyword optimization feature ensures your content is optimized for search engines by naturally and contextually incorporating target keywords. This can significantly improve your content's search engine ranking and visibility, driving more traffic to your website or blog. The platform also offers collaboration tools, allowing teams to work together on content creation projects with ease and efficiency. You can invite team members to your workspace, share content drafts, and provide feedback through in-platform comments. Copy.ai smoothly integrates with popular tools such as Google Docs, WordPress, and Slack, making it easy to incorporate the platform into your existing workflow. You can easily import content from Copy.ai into your preferred content management system or collaborate with team members in real time. One of the key selling points of Copy.ai is its user-friendly interface. It is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for users of all skill levels to navigate and utilize its features. Even with minimal experience, you can start creating high-quality content using Copy.ai right away. Many users have praised Copy.ai's first draft wizard, which literally writes the blog for you and has become an indispensable starting point for many. Copy.ai has indeed changed the game for several users, taking in a generic idea and generating more than they could ever imagine in just 30 seconds or less. The new freestyle tool has been lauded as absolutely amazing, turning writing from a chore into a breeze. Copy.ai's versatility shines here, helping teams with all kinds of copywriting and sales copy, including product descriptions, ad copy, website copy, blogs, and emails. For marketing copy, Copy.ai has been described as a dream. It's like having a ghostwriter, but without the expense and hassle of hiring someone. Users have found it to be a secret weapon for crafting blogs, newsletters, social captions, and more, citing its usefulness for blog post creation in particular. Compared to other paid AI copy tools, Copy.ai has outperformed all of them according to some users. They have found the outputs generated by Copy.ai to be of higher quality and more intuitive, with a voice that is more accurate and conversational. Copy.ai also shines in assisting with one of the most difficult parts of content marketing: finding inspiration. Users have found that it streamlines the content creation process, saving both time and money. For some, Copy.ai has made blogging tasks not just easier, but also much more enjoyable. Pros: AI-powered content generation. Copy.ai uses advanced GPT-3 technology to create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. It can generate a variety of content types, including blog posts, social media posts, ad copy, and more. Wide range of templates. The platform offers a broad range of content templates, such as blog post outlines, product descriptions, email copy, video scripts, etc. These are designed to guide you through the content creation process, making it more efficient. Grammar and style suggestions. Copy.ai provides grammar and style suggestions, helping users improve their content and ensure it's not only engaging but also polished and professional. Keyword optimization. Copy.ai allows for keyword optimization, ensuring that the content generated is optimized for search engines, improving your content's visibility and ranking. Collaboration tools. The platform offers collaboration tools, making it easy for teams to work together on content creation projects. Integration with popular tools. Copy.ai integrates with popular tools like Google Docs, WordPress, and Slack, allowing for seamless incorporation into your existing workflow. User-friendly interface. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for users of all skill levels to navigate and utilize its features. Cons. Unfortunately, my search for explicit cons or downsides to using Copy.ai has come up short. It could be a testament to the quality of the product or the fact that negative reviews or criticisms are not easily found. Pricing could be a con for some users if they find it not affordable or if they don't create enough content to justify the cost. Please note that the information above is based on available data and user reviews. It would be best to trial the product yourself to understand any potential limitations and advantages better. As for the plans, Copy.ai offers a free plan which allows you to generate content. However, if you want more content, you'll have to subscribe to their Pro plan, which is $49 per month, or pay yearly and save 25% at $36 per month. The Pro plan supports content creation in over 25 languages, and Copy.ai also offers live product demos. Copy.ai also provides 2,000 free words per month with no credit card required. It is a game changer in the field of AI-powered copywriting, and a tool that over 9 million professionals and teams, including those from Microsoft, eBay, Ogilvy, and Nestle, already trust and use. Stay tuned to our channel for more authoritative reviews on the latest AI products. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to click the link down in the description to access Copy.ai.